Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Let's Crack OPSC, and in today's video we are going to discuss very important aspect of prelim preparation, that is the science and technology part. And in science and technology part, health science plays a very important role in determining your marks, especially in the prelim examination. There are various questions being asked in prelim examination which are related to science and technology and especially the health science. And in this part I am going to discuss about fat soluble vitamins. We will discuss in thoroughly, and I will be telling you about what can be the question they can be asking from this particular section. You have to be thorough with this particular section, and I will be simultaneously telling you what are the question can be framed. So be very attentive till the last. So in science and technology, in health science, there are fat soluble vitamins. They can ask you a question. They will jumble up four, means they will give you four options, and they may ask you that what is the vitamin which is not fat soluble. They may give you A, D, E and one B1. So answer will be B1, because A, D, E and K, these are fat soluble vitamins. So if the question examiner asks what are the name for fat soluble vitamins, you have to answer A, D, E, K. Vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. These are four fat soluble vitamins. Then for vitamin A, its chemical name. Sometimes they also ask whether it is in UPSC or state PCS or even OPSC, that what are the chemical name of a particular disease, particular vitamin. Vitamin A is known as retinol. Vitamin A is known as retinol in its chemical name, and what is it is basically the source is synthesized in the cells of liver. In our liver it is being synthesized, and intestinal mucous membrane from carotenoid pigment. It is especially cells of liver and intestinal mucous membrane and carotenoid pigment. It is being synthesized. Second, what are the important functions of vitamin A or retinol? Important function is anti-infective, essential for visual pigment. The kind of a vision we are having, the more vitamin A we will intake, our visual elements, especially our eye will be more effective. So visual pigments and epithelial division of cells. Epithelial division of cells is very much essential for vitamin A. Means if you will take vitamin A, it will help you in epithelial division of cell as well as eye. Because some people are having night blindness. The night blindness, because we will come to that in this particular deficiency. If you don't have vitamin A in sufficiency, then there are chances that you might be having night blindness. And xerothalamia and night blindness are the disease related to vitamin A deficiency. So very important, you have to remember it for the prelim perspective. You have to remember this. If they may ask you that night blindness, which vitamin deficiency causes night blindness, you have to write vitamin A. Xerothalamia again, they may ask you that which vitamin deficiency causes xerothalamia. Answer is vitamin A. Then second fat soluble vitamin is vitamin D. Vitamin D is the second fat soluble vitamin, and what is its chemical name? Its chemical name is ergocalciferol or cholecalciferol. Ergocalciferol or cholecalciferol is its chemical name, or simply calciferol. You can have this particular thing in your mind. So calciferol, whenever you see calciferol, it means it is being referring to vitamin D. Then what are the sources? Synthesized in skin cells in the sun, light from the provitamin D3, means it is being synthesized. Most of the time you might have seen that old ladies, they say that if you want to have a good baby with good strong bones, go and have a sun, means that make them stand in the sun. That means they know that the value of sunlight in formation of vitamin D. So synthesized in skin cells in the sunlight from or pro-vitamin D3. Then what is its function? What is the function of vitamin D? Vitamin D is function of calcium and phosphorus in the intestine, deposition of mineral in teeth and bones. It is helpful in calcium and phosphorus in intestine and deposition of mineral in teeth and bones. The question might be asked that which vitamin is responsible for calcium or phosphorus synthesis in the intestine. You have to write vitamin D. Then they may ask you deposition of mineral or teeth, deposition of mineral in teeth, in bones, which vitamin is responsible. Then again the answer will be vitamin D. Then what are the deficiency? The deficiency rickets of children from 6 months to 2 years. Whenever there is a vitamin D deficiency in the child, there will be rickets from 6 months to 2 years, and when it happens in the adult, it is weakening of bones. In the adult, when a vitamin D deficiency happens, there will be deficiency of weakening of bones. Then we coming to the next discussion is vitamin E. The next fat soluble is vitamin E. Its chemical name is tocopherol. So if somebody asks you what is tocopherol, you have to directly remember it is vitamin E. Then what is the sources of vitamin E? Green vegetables, oil, wheat, yolk, egg, animal tissues. Whenever they will ask you about what is there in the egg yolk, you can say vitamin E. Then animal tissues also vitamin E. Then important for pregnancy, lactation, spermatogenesis and muscular function. Very important. There will be a question regarding this, that which vitamin is very much responsible for pregnancy, lactation. You have to write vitamin E. Then spermatogenesis. In male it is spermatogenesis, the formation of sperms, and muscular function also, which vitamin is responsible? Again the vitamin is vitamin E. Then what happens if there is a deficiency of vitamin E in a human body? Sterility of female, sterility in male, and muscular dystrophy or anemia. Sterility means there will be sterility in a female, means unable to have babies, that is sterility. Sterility in female, sterility in male. There will be in males, what will happen? It will be the problem of formation of sperm, effective as well as healthy sperm. That will be a big problem if there is a vitamin E deficiency in male. And then muscular dystrophy and anemia. Anemia means the blood, especially related to blood, and muscular dystrophy. It is also related to vitamin E. If they ask you the question, the answer will be vitamin E. Then vitamin K. Vitamin K is another fat soluble vitamin. Its chemical name is phylloquinone. Then where are the sources of vitamin? Yes, yolk, carrot, cheese, lettuce, liver, egg and tomatoes. Vitamin K is found in this item: yolk, carrot, cheese, lettuce, liver, egg and tomatoes. These are very much important for vitamin K formation. Then acts as anti-hemorrhagic factor essential for prothrombin synthesis in liver required for blood clotting. Very important. Which they may ask you a question in prelims, that which vitamin is responsible for blood clotting? The answer is vitamin K. Means if there is a hemorrhage, then will be continuously blood flow, and if there is a continuous blood flow, then there is a big problem. So in order to stop hemorrhage, there has to be sufficiency in vitamin K inside your blood. Then what are the deficiency? The vitamin K deficiency will lead you to excessive bleeding, injured because of delayed blood clotting. It is the particular health condition is called as hypoprothrombinemia. Hypoprothrombinemia. This is the medical terminology which is being used for continuous blood flowing continuously, excessive bleeding, injured in because of delayed blood clotting. The blood will not be clotting, continuously blood flow. It is known as hypoprothrombinemia. Okay, so I hope this particular portion of discussion is very clear. Let me have a quick recap what we have studied today. Vitamin A is known as retinol. It is very important. Vitamin A, retinol, and these are the xerothalamia, night blindness. Vitamin D, ergocalciferol and cold calciferol, synthesized in night, and deficiency. It will cause rickets in child from 6 months to 12, and adults it is weakening of bones. Then osteothalassemia. Then vitamin E, it is tocopherol. Then it is sterility in female and sterility in male, muscular dystrophy and anemia. Then vitamin K, that is known as phyloquinone. It is responsible for blood clotting. In deficiency, what happens? Excessive bleeding and blood clotting, hypoprothrombinemia. So I hope this part of discussion is clear. In upcoming videos, we will be very much focused on prelim related aspects of various questions related to prelim. This is going to be very important discussion. Do share with your friends whosoever preparing for OPSC civil service exam. So I hope this particular discussion is very important. You have to be remembering and making notes of it, which will help you in your preparation. And soon we are going to we will give you a crash course for prelim examination. It will cost you around 500 rupees, and we will be providing you 40 sets plus 10 sets free. Plus additional very important is how to tackle MCQs, which will help you in tackle MCQs so that you will not lose out on any of the particular aspects of prelim. Then we will give you current affairs, which are very, very important, which might come in the prelim exam. These are the things which will provide you, and it will hardly cost you 500 rupees. Do spread with your friends and subscribe to our channel if you are new to our channel. In this channel we are helping OPSC aspirants, and do spread. Thank you very much.